Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
Happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Before we get this video started, and we'd like to give a shout out to Rick Bishop. He did comment on some of our weekly Heat videos. We appreciate you leaving a comment. We know that this channel is starting to pick up a little bit. So as we start to engage more with y'all, feel free to leave the comments. So moving on to that. That
Weekly,
weekly Heat, baby.
the
That
weekly.
weekly shoes that are coming out from 14 through 20 July. Go and start us off, my brother.
Yeah, so on July the 20th, we do have those Air Jordan 1s, low OG Barons back some years ago. In 1994, MJ did step away temporarily from basketball to pursue his baseball career. We know that was just short-lived, but he did play for the Birmingham Barons. This shoe here is it's a clean, simple shoe. I believe Jordan Brand is listening and at least just drop us a thumbs up with the shoelaces. It's a simple, clean shoe. You see no trick colors with it. It's three colors: white, black, and gray. Right, that white, gray. I like how they use simple black laces. Right, but I really felt that they did drop the ball on dropping it during the summer. I feel like this is a fall shoe. Price point is $140, so I applaud Jordan Brand for that because that is a nice price point there. But it's just a simple, clean shoe with that solid gray linings representing the baseball team that Jordan played for, the Birmingham Barons. So it's a very clean shoe. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But I'll be rocking those, my brother. What about you?
So I'll be rocking these as well. As you know, I do rock lows more than I do highs. We have seen this colorway before in a high top and in the mid. And this back in the day, this was a very popular color. The Jordan 1 in this style was going for $350 at one point. But we know time to change where the Jordan 1s are not in style anymore. But this is a clean OG colorway that I'm looking forward to. I can't say that I will cop this pair myself, but I am rocking these. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to July 20th, we do have another shoe dropping on the same day. This is technically considered a collaboration with Nigel Sylvester, aka the Bike Air. This is a very anticipated pair. I know this pair have gotten pushed back. This is the Jordan 4 RM, and these are called Grandma's Driveway. This is the first colorway coming out in this silhouette. This is, as far as I know, this is a brand new silhouette to me. Comment down below if I'm wrong, but this shoe takes off, which I probably can see it doing because it's only $150. It does have that bottom of the Jordan 4, which is the most popular silhouette at this time. But keep in mind, Jordan 4s have gone to raised to a price of $210, which some people think that's ridiculous. And this is a very affordable Jordan 4. I'm gonna say this is a Jordan 4 low because if you look at this colorway, it's all pretty much, they call this fence green. You know, this will be the first one, but expect to put out more colors, you know, like Jordan Brand does. They saturate the market if the shoe takes off. This is expecting to be released. The first one is usually the most profitable one. So if you're a reseller, I would look to try to be grabbing these, especially if you're in the biking BMX, I would be grabbing these up. So the shoes were inspired by his grandmother's driveway, where he fell in love with riding bike at the age of 4. The green mimics the color of the fence that's around the driveway, aka fence green. Cracked concrete pavements from the driveway is also seen at the bottom of the box, which Nigel Sylvester, again, this is a unique shoe. It's basically like a low, and this is the first we've seen. And I know we just hope that the suede is nice as the PEs that were first shown from Nigel Sylvester's Instagram account. I can see these taking off, and majority of the shoe is green, being that the Boston Celtics just won the championship. I can see these selling pretty well. Does have that black midsole throughout. And I do like the way that they added that pop of white around the air bubble to distinguish the midsole and the air bubble on the bottom of the shoe. Around the bottom of the shoe looks like black as well, so you don't have to worry about getting these dirty. If we're looking at the back, we do see a very unique design. In my eyes, I never saw this before, but it does say Bike Air at the back, and it does have a small Jordan Jumpman to the right of that design. I do think this overall simple, clean shoe. If we look at the tongue, it does feature a monochromatic green on green with the green laces, and at the top It looks like this says Bike Air by Jordan. It's featured on the tongue, which is something different. And if you look at the toe box, we do see a small Nike check, which is done on some of the SBs. So I think this is a good hit, and this is the first collaboration again. I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know, looking over this shoe, it's a nice clean shoe. I like, they put a lot of thought behind putting, you know, like the Jumpman right there on the back. You know, I like how they did with the Nike, putting bike instead of Nike, put bike, you know. Only concern I am, it is a shoe for riding bike, scuffing, you know, with it being that suede. I can see this shoe really getting, you know, getting tore up a little bit, considering that it's a shoe for cycling or bike. But overall, I will be rocking those. I'm loving the green. The timing could be off with it going into the summer, but I am loving that green. That price point, I love that price point. I just like to see what other colors they go with. But just looking at the shoe overall, I will be rocking those once again. Drop us a comment down below, because when you look at the box that it comes in, that it's shipped in, what is that picture of? Is that a picture of them when they were younger?
Picture of Nigel when he was a little kid at 4 years old.
Okay. I like that. I mean, I want to give them a round of applause with that. So nice work with that. But once again, I will be rocking those. But drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. And so we'd like to give another shout out to Tyron Wilson. He did comment on one of our shorts. He said 13s is one of his favorite silhouettes. He's definitely copping those. And he was referring to the Dune Red 13s that just came out recently. So if you want to shout out, or if you have a birthday, you want us to shout out your birthday or anniversary, anything like that, just leave us a comment and we'll be glad to shout you out for free.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.